We're doing something a little different rovery today for a video, but I figured it'd be a good thing to break up the constant maintenance on this thing. We're gonna go to Cars and Coffee this morning over at the Michelin headquarters here in Greenville for the Upstate Cars and Coffee. It's a pretty big Cars and Coffee. I don't think it's like nearly one of the biggest like in America, but like in our area, it's a pretty big car meet. Weather's kind of iffy today, so I don't really know if it's gonna be a huge turnout. It's actually kind of cold, so we're gonna take the Range Rover. I would love to take the Disco out there, but it needs, it needs to get cleaned up and some work before I go do something like that. Range Rover's looking nice, got all the stuff switched over, so it's ready to drive. So I'm gonna take that. It's also kind of cold, so I'd like to try out the heated seats and all that good stuff. So yeah, come with us to Cars and Coffee, look at some cars, hang out, and just have a good time. We out here waiting on Cole and Connor and Chloe. Chilling. Wife's cold. The AMG rolling us. That's cool. First on the block, we got the McLaren with the awesome license plate. Sweet. I've always wanted an old Stingray Corvette. I love these. Subaru rally car. That thing is a hit. That is all the rage. Dang, that is so sweet. This thing's pretty sweet. It looks like a regular Lexus with some hellas on the front until you get off to the side of it. Boom. Rallied. The old Alfa Romeo. That thing's sweet.
Was. And so then we traumatized that poor kid.
Going on now. BMW Alpine Roadster. This thing is beautiful. Aged very well. This thing is cool. I've never seen one of these before, so this is kind of neat. I'm digging it. Aston Martin. Yeah. This thing is absolutely sick. Beautiful car. Interior's nice. Look at that.